They called him King Tantalus, favored by the gods, invited to dine at their table on Mount Olympus. But one night he committed the unforgivable. He stole ambrosia and nectar from the gods' own feast. And worse, he took his own son Pelops, killed him, cooked him, and served him to the gods as a test of their omniscience. The gods saw through the deception. They restored Pelops to life, then turned their eyes on Tantalus. They didn't simply kill him. They built a perfect sensory torture machine around him, one that would last for eternity. They placed him in a paradise of plenty. Fruit hung so low the branches brushed his face. Pools of the clearest water lapped at his feet. Every luxury he could ever desire was inches away. But the moment Tantalus reached for the fruit, the branch would rise just out of reach. The moment he bent to drink, the water would recede, sinking into the earth with mechanical precision, always leaving his lips dry. His body suffered real starvation. His throat burned with genuine thirst. His stomach cramped and his muscles wasted away. Yet the curse kept him alive and fully conscious, so the torment could never end. This wasn't random cruelty. This was engineered. The gods had turned proximity itself into the weapon. Every desperate lunge, every trembling reach, every hopeful swallow that never came, all of it was calculated. The food and water were programmed to retreat at the exact speed of his movement. His own desire became the engine that guaranteed his failure. He could smell the fruit. He could feel the cool mist from the water on his skin. He could see his reflection staring back at him from the pool. A king reduced to a desperate, broken animal. And still, the cycle repeated, day after day, year after year, millennium after millennium. The gods had turned Tantalus's greatest gift, his royal ambition and hunger for more, into his eternal prison. Even today, when someone is left wanting something just out of reach, we say they are tantalized. The curse lives on in our language. Was this simply a myth to warn against hubris? Or was it the gods' most elegant creation, a living machine of psychological and physical torment that proved even the mightiest king could be broken by hope itself? The ancient entities didn't need chains or eagles or fire. They only needed to give a man everything he desired and make sure he could never have it. If this mechanical horror of the ancient gods gave you chills, smash that like button, share this video with someone who loves dark lore, and follow for more.